So we are now in QuickBooks Online. Let us do this initial setup where mainly we will be informing QuickBooks Online about our business so that it can customize QuickBooks Online for us. So first of all, let's enter the business name and click on next. The next question it is asking me is if I am migrating from some other accounting software or from Excel, that is here, and I need to transfer my data. If that is the case, it will be helping me out accordingly, but in my case I would say that I am new to this, and if you have previous data, I will show you how you can do that even later on. So I will skip this part here so that we can start from a fresh software and click on next. The next question, how long Itai has been in business? I would say under a year. Click on next. My industry is healthcare. Next. What kind of business is this? I would say this is a limited liability private company. I would click on next. What is your main role at Itai? My role is I am the owner. Then we have, is Itai Limited your main source of income? That is true. Which of these best describes what you do? In my case, I own and run this business. This one is right, so I will move forward with this one. Then we have who works at this business. For me, I would say right now it's me only. You can answer any of these that is applicable to you, and it will be making actually no big difference for now. So let us click on next here, and then on this screen system is offering me a free 30 days trial of QuickBooks Payroll. Well, I don't really need that, so I would say maybe later, and then click on next. Now the system is asking us that if we are using any external app like PayPal or Shopify. If that is the case, we can integrate that with QuickBooks Online right now. So I would say skip this part for now. By the way, there can be many other apps that can be connected. You can search them here, but we can skip this part for now, and later we can connect these apps with QuickBooks Online at any time. So I would say skip for now. And now system is asking us that what do we want to do in the QuickBooks? Do we want to manage VAT? That is basically sales tax in the UK. So I would say yes. Send and track invoices to customer, of course. Organize receipts and expenses. Yes, definitely we will need that. Now other things, if you need, you will check that, otherwise no need to do it. So I will definitely manage my stock, so I will click on that as well, and then click on next. And then it is asking you, where do you want to begin? Do you want to get ready to invoice your customers or track receipts and expenses? It will just basically take you to a screen where you can do the initial setup for that, even though that is not needed. So let's click on select any of these and then click on next. And now basically it is saying that please upload your logo and do some setup so that you can customize the invoice that you send to your customers. We can do that later. We don't have to waste our time right now. So I will skip for now. I will keep it simple for the beginning. Now here QuickBooks is suggesting us to basically make it easy for people to pay us. What that is going to do is, if we do this step, yes, let's do it. System will connect our PayPal or Go Cardless with our QuickBooks, and when we send the invoice from QuickBooks to any customer, there will be a Pay Now button, and when the customer clicks on that button, they can pay us using any credit card or bank account, and then the QuickBooks will know that the payment has been made. This is a step that we can do later on, so we don't need it right now. So we will move forward. And now let's bring all your income and expenses in one place. Okay, let's do that. Link your accounts and see everything in one place. Here system is suggesting you to link your bank accounts with QuickBooks Online so that system can automatically fetch the information from bank, the bank statement from the bank. Well, I will not do it right now. We can later do it anytime that we want. So we will skip this part. The next question is, how do we track our receipts? So what are receipts? You have seen that whenever you spend some money at a shop, they basically give you a small invoice or receipt. That is the proof of payment and basically a bill that we can show to the tax authorities to show our expenses. and legally we are required to save them. So you can answer any of them. I save paper receipts, or I can save my pay receipts digitally. Well, if we do that, system will ask you to connect. If you are using an app that can be connected with QuickBooks Online, you can connect that and system can automatically fetch the data from that app into QuickBooks Online. But I will skip this part. I will just save paper receipts for now. As I told you, we can do this step anytime later on. So I will click on next, and now turn paper into expenses with a snap. This is where system will tell you that if you use the QuickBooks mobile app that you can download from Apple Store or Google Play, you can just take a snap for your receipt and system will bring that snap into your QuickBooks Online. So we will click on next. For now we will not install that app right now. We can do it anytime we want. And the final question, how much you have used QuickBooks? You can answer anything here, so I would just click here and move on. And then they are offering you somehow you can book a call back if you like. In my case, I don't need that, so I will say not right now, but you can book a free call if you like to. And then click on next. And finally, setup is complete. We just need to click here. And finally, we have landed on our dashboard, and now we are ready to start using QuickBooks Online.